Here we have a Volkswagen Polo. Now it's a Mark 6 hatchback, 1 litre TSI, matched DSG, 95 PS. Now the car is in great shape and it has a good spec, including adaptive cruise control with front assist, front and rear parking sensors, an anti-lock braking system, a forward collision warning, a driver alert system, and these 15-inch Seyne alloy wheels. Now moving on to the boot. The boot is a good size, especially for the size of the car itself. The interior has a USB port for Apple or Android CarPlay, Volkswagen Connect, and an eCall emergency call service. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.